Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a credit card payment on the Capital One mobile app. So let's get started. First step you'll have to do is to open up your Capital One app and log into your account. Once logged in, select the card you need to make the payment on. Now here it gives you an option to use your travel benefits. Now for this tutorial we'll just click on Not Now. If the information under schedule payments looks alright, click on Make a Payment. Now by clicking on the second option you can change your bank account. Now to make payments with the Capital One app, click here and pick from your saved bank accounts or link a new bank account in order for you to choose a date. Now pick any of the available options over here. Now you have to choose an amount. Just click over here. Now click any of the available options over here. Or if you need to make a custom payment, click on the other amount option to type in a custom amount. Now if all the details are correct, a slide to pay option will appear, and now slide it for the payment. Now you will receive a confirmation that your payment is set. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.